Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video 10 cool things you can do with the Samsung Galaxy A52 and A52 5G. Okay, the first thing I want to show you is about the sidebar, because there's a nice tool to have quick access to your favorite apps by just swiping in here. And first of all, these are your favorite apps you are using, and here you have some other apps you would have quick access for without going to the app drawer or looking for them at the desktop and so on. And you can customize it also if you go here on the pen and add maybe Facebook or something like this, or remove some other stuff like the messages and so on. And then you will have quick access to your favorite apps, and very nice because you could also use it with one thumb and so on. So I can really recommend it. And the next thing I want to show you is also to use it with one hand, because if you swipe down the home button, you can use the one-handed mode. And now I can use also everything with one thumb, but you have to enable this feature, the one-handed mode here. So don't worry if it doesn't work right now at your phone. So if you want to go back, by the way, just tap here and you're back in the regular mode. Okay, let me show you first how you can enable this feature. So just scroll down here, then go here to the symbol for the settings, tap it, scroll down to the point advanced features, tap it, and here we will have the one-handed mode, and it has to be enabled, so marked blue. So by the way, here you have a little instruction how it works and so on if you tap on it. Okay, one more time. If I swipe down the home button, I have the one-handed mode, and it's the complete phone. I have the app drawer. I can play games on the mini screen here and so on. And also if I'm maybe left-handed, I can put it on the other side here with the arrow or back, so that I can really navigate now with one thumb. And a very nice tool. And yeah, if you're finished with, just tap here on the outside and you are back at the regular mode. Yeah, the next thing I want to show you is about cloning apps. You can have maybe 2 WhatsApp accounts on this phone, and hey, why not? You can insert 2 SIM cards, 2 different numbers. No? So nice to have one WhatsApp account for each number, or you can have 2 Facebook accounts on this phone. Same, of course, with the Messenger and so on. So a very useful tool, maybe. And yeah, let me show you how you can enable this feature. Just scroll down here. Then go to the symbol for the settings, scroll down to the point advanced features, scroll down a bit again, and here we will have the dual messenger. So here you will find a list which apps are supported with that feature. So in our case, let's clone WhatsApp, tap on it, go on install, confirm. And now he's asking you what's very nice if you want to use for your second accounts a separate contact list. No? So an individual one, no, I don't want. And you can set it up later as well. Yes, we want to use our regular contacts. And yeah, the next point will be Facebook then, I guess. So now he's adding a second one, no Snapchat. Here you can, by the way, use the separate contact list again, so you can enable it later here. So let's also go here with Snapchat, Facebook, and Messenger as well. By the way, if you want to have a second Messenger app, it doesn't work with the Messenger Lite app, but you can have also with the Messenger Lite another account. You know what I mean? So, and yeah, let's go now to the app drawer that I can show you how it looks like. So this is our main Facebook account, and this one with the orange field here, with the orange corner, is our second one. Same with WhatsApp, the main one, and the second one here with the orange corner. Snapchat, the same. No? By the way, Samsung doesn't support to clone Instagram, so you can just have one Instagram account here on your phone. Yeah, how to remove later these second apps. Maybe if you hold one app longer, then you can go directly here on uninstall with the X, go on uninstall, and the second Messenger account will disappear. Same thing also with our dual messenger list. You can also disable them here and so on. And of course, you can also doing screenshots here with that phone by just tapping the power button and the volume down button just for the same time. and you will have a screenshot. But by the way, just for short, because if you press longer the power button and the volume down button, you go to the power off menu. So as you can see right now here, so just for short, the power button, the power button and the volume down button, just for short, and you will have a screenshot. By the way, there's also another way to take a screenshot by using just the edge of your palm. If you swipe it across the screen, you will have a screenshot as well. One more time. Oh, it doesn't work at first time. You see, it requires a bit training. The edge of your palm, swipe it across the screen. And yes, finally. Okay, one more time. The edge of your palm, swipe it across the screen, and you will have a screenshot as well. As you have seen, it requires a bit training, but a quick tool to have a screenshot. And what is very nice, you can also record your screen. You can make videos of your screen and or your actions if you're doing a game or something like this. Let me show you how this works. So just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, and then we will find here the screen recorder icon. So just tap on the screen recorder. For the very first time, you have to allow it while using the app. Okay, while using the app, so that we have access to the microphone and so on and so on. So, and always if you start now the screen recorder, you can set up the sound. Now, if you don't want to have the media sound, if you want to have the media sound, or if you want to have the media sound next to the microphone, if you want to make some comments and so on, what is very nice. And yeah, let's start the recording now. And then you will have a countdown here. You can skip it if you want. And now we record here our actions here on the screen. If you want, you have here the quick panel. If you want, you can go here on the pen and you can draw something or mark something. And so very nice to describe something here during the video, and you can remove it here, of course. Go on the pen again, that you can navigate, because if you're drawing something, you cannot navigate here anymore. And yeah, your full actions will be recorded here. If you want to pause the video, just double tap here on this. Just tap here on the two bars. And if you want to continue the same recording, just tap on the red button, as you know it from other recording stuff. And if you want to stop the video, just go here on the square and your video has stopped. Very nice, I think. Okay, one more thing for the screen recorder. Just scroll down a second time. You know, this is the icon for the screen recorder. What is very nice, if you go now on the written word for the screen recorder, you can set up the video quality. Go on details here as well to have some more stuff, but these are the most important ones. Okay, you're able to find the screen recordings and the screenshots and so on here at the gallery, of course. And as you can see, I had already some twice here. But what is very nice at the category albums, the screenshots as well, the screen recordings have their own folder, so you can have them always back. The next tool I want to show you is about the camera, because you can quick launch it by double tapping the power button, and without wasting time for looking for the camera app and so on. So very, very nice. And what is also very nice, if the phone is on standby, it works the same. Also just double tap the power button and you are, now you have to tap it very fast, also twice, and then I'm immediately at my camera app without wasting time and so on. And may you don't miss your great picture. Okay, and apropos camera, did you know that you don't use the full 64 MP of the camera? Yes, because you have to set it up first. So if you're at the camera app, you see here at the top the 3 to 4. If you tap it, you have to go now here on 3 to 4 64 MP. And just now you're using the full resolution of your camera. So why to set it up different? You're just using 12, as I said. The pictures become more dynamic and smooth if you using just the 12 MP. So just use the 64 megapixels if the conditions are very great, if you hold your hand very steady, just then you can have very nice pictures if you have the full resolution. So I would recommend to you to just work with the regular default 3 to 4 watts here with 12 amps. Yeah, the next feature I want to show you is about incoming calls, because if you forgot to put it on silent and there's a call coming, maybe in a conference or something like this, you can put your phone easily on silence. You can mute it just with your hand. If you put your hand on the phone like this, and your phone is on silent without blocking the call and so on. So very, very nice. And another opportunity to put your phone on silent is if you, let me make a call again here. Another way to put your phone on silence is if you just put it like this on the table. And as well, the phone is on mute immediately without stopping the call and something like this, the incoming one, without blocking. And what is also pretty cool is if you have your phone a long time, if you haven't paid attention for the last minutes or maybe for the last hours for your phone, then and if you pick it up, the phone will give you a vibration. Have you heard that? So the phone gives you a little vibration that you know, okay, I have some messages or I have a missed call or something like this. Very nice. And now we are at the last point already, a very nice one. And as you can see, I've prepared already something on my table. And for that, we will need the camera form. So tap on the camera here, then now go here on More. And now we will need here this point, Bixby Vision. And Bixby Vision is an intelligent software which one recognizes things and can tell us more about, or it should tell us more about. Let us try it. So let's make a picture here of the plant. Okay, now it recognized the plant. And now it can tell us more about, if we go here on similar images, and then we have some similar plants here and so on. And maybe we will find the name here of this plant. But I have to tell you, it does work 100%. It still needs 1 or 2 years, I guess. And yeah, but I want to show you something else here on Bixby Vision. That's the reason why I've chosen it for my tips and tricks here. And because there's a translation tool in it. Let me go back here one step. And if you go now next to the magnification here, we have a T symbol. It is for the text. So, and maybe go on rescan if you have this view here. And then you can may read this text here. And what is very great, it auto detects the language. And it really transferred into English, what is very, very nice. And if I go here on the T, I copy this text to my phone, and I have it in German, and I can also translate it here now. So very well for studies, this tool, because I can just scan a book. I can scan the text of a book and have it immediately here at the notes of my smartphone. And also translation tool is very great for holidays and so on. If you're in restaurants, or something like this. So very, very cool tool. Okay, and we have also a QR code reader here at Bixby Vision. For that, we have to swipe here to the other side here down below, then just go here and rescan. And let's have a look what my QR code is saying. Just tap that on Note. And I want to tell you, thanks for watching Phones and More, that you always support me, that you have watched this video at the end and so on. And yeah, thank you so much. And yeah, let me tell you also another way how to read scan codes here. If you're at the end. So because we can read also scan codes with the basic cam. So if you just go to the camera and use your basic camera and hold your phone on a smartphone, go down on Note, and you will see the same results. Yeah, I can just repeat myself. Thanks for watching Phones and More. Yeah, if you want, maybe you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be really, really helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much, and maybe until next time. Ciao.